Hello friends, I'm Luna and welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to enable the Assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. The Assistant menu is a helpful accessibility feature that provides quick access to essential functions like screenshots, volume control, navigation buttons, and more, all from a floating on-screen shortcut. Open the Settings page. The Settings app is your phone's main control center where you can manage features such as display, sounds, security, privacy, and connectivity. Next, scroll down through the menu to see the accessibility option. Tap on it to open the Accessibility Settings page. This section is designed to make your device easier to use by offering visual, hearing, and interaction support features. Now see the Interaction and Dexterity option and tap on it. Here, you will see several features that help improve touch control and device interaction. Scroll slightly and find the Assistant menu option. Tap on it, then toggle the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, a floating menu icon will appear on your screen. You can tap this icon anytime to access quick shortcuts such as Home, Back, Recent Apps, Screenshots, Volume Control, Power Menu, and more. You can also customize the menu layout to suit your needs. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab, where technology is made simple and practical. Don't forget to like, share, and stay connected for more easy tech guides.